Hey, I'm Melissa. Yeah, so I'm a student of Rupak's masterclass, and I learned the software Ableton. Throughout the whole course, I think what I learned is basically how complex Ableton is, but I think Rupak helped us like break things down into more simpler forms, and then I finally actually learned how to write my own song. But I think the biggest thing that I learned from Rupak is to actually just finish things that I start. I think when I was writing songs, I would just write songs and then I would never ever finish anything. So Rupak is quite philosophical. He has all these things that he enriches you with. And then he taught me that, you know what, no matter think about how you feel about the song, just finish it and then you want the next. And that's how we actually had growth in life. And I think that actually is a good philosophy that kind of changed my whole entire life, I must say. Yeah, it's just a new outlook to just finish things, even though I'm a little bit self-critical. I just try to that philosophy and then I try to grow as things go. Yeah.